Okay, language explorers. So let's look at noun, because it's Monday, nouns. So let's look at the body. Let's look at body. Body. The physical structure of something. The physical structure. Physical. Something we can touch. Something we can interact with and use. Physical. Of something. The main section of something. Or the body. The human body. Yeah. The human body. How cool is that? Ah, yes, perfect. So the human body is difficult to understand. Difficult to understand. I don't understand it. I don't get it. Difficult to understand. Makes no sense. With these kind of bodies, so the physical structure of something, the cars can drive faster. So with a metal body, the phone is stronger, but heavier. The physical structure of something. The car body is very slick, very smooth looking. The body of, let's say, the desk or anything, the body of this box, for example, it's got a nice, unique shape. The structure of it. The body of the printer box is made of plastic. Oh, makes sense. He used to have a body like that. So he used to have a body like that one over there. He used to, but not anymore. Yeah. I go to the gym and yeah, I exercise. So my body is stronger. Stronger. Very good. The planes are built with stronger bodies. So we have the plane here. The plane, and here's the wings. Here's the wings, yeah. There's the wings, yeah. And there's the end of the plane, yeah. So the body, the physical structure, what we can touch, the body is stronger. The plane's body is lighter than before. Let's move that. The body is made from light metal or light material or metal. Yeah, light. Very light. Yeah, unlike say heavy. Heavy. Whoa. Heavy, but light. So the body is made of light metal or a light material, say plastic, aluminium, metal, and beyond. Yeah. When you go to the gym, your body will be stronger, healthier. Yes. How cool is that? So the physical structure of something, or the main section of something. So the body of the car, for example, or the main section of the plane here, or the human body. Yeah. How cool is that? So can you use it in a sentence? In the comments, can you use body in a sentence? Comment below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos every day. And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.